genocide cannot happen here again. It won't happen. Even with those noises you hear in the region of people gathering from Europe, from wherever, and meeting in Kinshasa and bringing the son of Habyarimana and relatives and others from wherever and gathering. All of that is just noise. It cannot amount to anything that will happen here of that kind again. It cannot happen. And I'm saying this not just as a person. And I'm just saying it because I know every Rwandan, young and old, is as determined and is saying so, like I'm saying now to you.